Hey everyone, welcome back to my Kotlin tutorial series. So in this video, we will explore two important collection types in Kotlin, set and map. Let's dive in. So first we are going to talk about sets. So a set in Kotlin is a collection that holds unique elements. It does not allow duplicate values. So let's see an example here. So here I'm going to create a set of fruits, and for that I'm going to use a set of function. Okay, and it's going to take the string values, and first I'm going to add apple, and then I'm going to add banana, and here I will add the cherry, and again I will add the apple value. Okay, so now let's print these values here. So you will see that apple is included at two places here. Okay, so if we print this, it will remove the duplicate value from this list and it will print apple once only. So let's print this to see. Okay, so as you can see, it has removed the duplicate value. So it ensures that the set has a unique values always. We can perform other functions on set as well, like we can add the contain method here that will give us true and false on the base of existence of the value, and we can perform a loop through this set to print all the items as well. So let's do that, and I'm going to print these values. First I'm going to use the contain method here, so we'll check if apple exists in this set or not. So as you can see, the apple is exist here, so it is going to return the true value here. And also we can use the for loop here to print all the items in the set. Okay, so let's run this to see. Okay, so as you can see, it has given us the true value because the apple value exists in this list, and also it has printed all the items in this loop through this loop as well. Okay, now let's see how can we modify a value in a set using a mutable set. So for first I'm going to remove this code here. Okay, so I'm going to create a list of integers here, and I'm going to use mutable set of function, and I'm going to add three values here. Okay, so now we can add a new number in this set as well using the add method. Okay, so this will add a new element at the end of this list here. Okay, so let's print this. Okay, so next we are going to see how can we remove a specific element here. So I am going to remove two value here, and it will remove this two value from this set. So let's print this as well. Okay, so let's run this to see. Okay, so as you can see, the first it has added a new element at the end of this set, and then it has removed the two value from this set as well. Okay, now let's talk about maps. So a map in Kotlin is a collection of key value pairs. So each key is unique, but values can be duplicated. Okay, so let's see that through an example here. Let's create a map. with country codes, and for that I'm going to use a map of function, and here I'm going to add the key first, and I'm going to add the value of this key. Okay, next I'm going to add in for India, so we're just going to add this value, and third I'm going to add JP for Japan. Okay, so now let's print all these values through their key. So here I'm going to add the key, and it will print the value. If I add the US, it is going to print the United States, and if I add IN here, so it is going to print India here. Okay, so this is going to print United States only. Okay, so let's print all the values as well. So for that I'm going to use a loop here, and I'm going to print the key and also the value from this loop. Okay, so let's run this to see. Okay, so as you can see, it has only printed the United States value, and here it has printed all the values from this map using the for loop. Okay, now let's talk about how can we modify this map. So for that we can use a mutable map function, and for that first I'm going to remove this code, and I'm going to create a new list here. Okay, and for that I'm going to use a mutable function. So here I'm going to add 1 2 for 1, and 2 2 for 2. So here 1 and 2 are the keys, and this string value is the value of these keys. Okay, and first I'm going to add a new item in this map here. So for that I'm going to add a key here, and I'm going to assign a new value 3 here. Okay, so let's print this map here. Okay, so we can also update the value of existing item here. So I'm going to change the value of 2 key to 4 here. Okay, so let's print this as well. Okay, and also we can remove a value from this map as well. So for that I'm going to use a remove function, and here I will add 1 here, so it will remove this one value from this map. So let's print this as well. Okay, so let's run this to see. Okay, so as you can see, first it has added a new item in this map. So it has added 3 at the end of this map, and then we have replaced the second value 2 from to 4 here. So it has changed the value of this key. So, and in third section we have removed the value of first key, so it has removed 1 from this map. So that's it for today. you have learned about set and map in Kotlin along with their mutable versions. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Kotlin content. See you in the next video.